This is how to update ADP weekly. So you need to open this updating wizard. Now it's reading, and then next, update automatically from the internet. So this is via internet. Next, then select check all, tick all. Then next, now it's sending update request. So now you are up to date to week 17. So click finish. So to check, you need to go to ADP, for example, this one. So you can also check here. It's updated to week 17, 2024. So now you have area 10, 5 active license, area 8. So this area 9, area 3, 1 and 2, 4 still no active. So you have to activate this one if you have a route here. So please see my previous video how to update or ADP license, how to add area in ADP.